Greetings from Texas. So I'm back revisiting. A few days ago I put out a video of converting a microwavable meal into a smaller, condensed, field-friendly meal by just adding hot water, and that didn't work. So I emptied the contents of 2 of these into here, and then I measured the water up to the fill line, which came out to a cup. But fortunately, the guru of all foods processed and processed cheeses, Cheesehead Chris, pointed out I didn't account for the displacement of the noodles when making my water calculation. So what I've done is I've reduced the amount of water by 1/2. So instead of using 2 cups for these 2 packages, I'm using 50%. So I'm going to use 1 cup for 2 of these. So we're going to boil up our water, add the noodles. The microwave directions are microwave for 3.5 minutes uncovered. So we're going to bring the water up to a boil, add the noodles, let them simmer for 3 minutes, and then add the cheese and see if this becomes a viable meal. Now I just thought this would be handy if you had these and the grid was down, you didn't have a microwave, or how I could convert microwavable meals into something for field use. So let's get this water going and we'll see what happens. Welcome back. Okay, our water's going. We're adding two packages of these with 1 cup of water. If you're going to use 1, it's going to be 1/2 cup of water. Let's add our noodles and mysterious white stuff. And we're going to reduce this down to a simmer. And because this is a canteen cup, we need to stir this. And again, I was constantly stirring. So that's what we're looking at. All right, let's add our processed cheese product here. Okay, there we are. Let's go ahead and let me get a plate, and then we'll put this out on a plate. All right, so you got a plate. Let's go ahead and get this out. Okay, that's what it looks like. Let's go ahead and give it a taste test. The noodles are done, and it tastes like macaroni and cheese. Okay, so if you're going to use one of these, 1/2 cup of water, simmer for 3.5 minutes, and you'll have a viable meal. And if the grid's down, you don't have a microwave, you can cook these, or you can repack them like I did for easy camping.